Hello, welcome to SKR Academy video tutorial. In the name reaction series, here we will go through today Grignard reactions. Grignard reaction is discovered by F.A. Victor Grignard. He is a French chemist. He was a French chemist, and he received a Nobel Prize in 1912. Basically, this reaction, in this reaction, we use alkyl magnesium bromide or aryl magnesium bromide. R1 can anything, either alkyl group or aryl group. When it reacts with aldehyde or ketone or any other electrophiles in presence of dry ether or in THF, tetrahydrofuran, in presence of nitrogen gas or argon gas, there should not be any water or moisture before this form alkoxide. So when alkyl bromide react with the ketone or aldehyde, it form an alkoxide. This R1, R2 and R3O and GBr, it's called alkoxide. And in the second step, when it hydrolyzes with the water, then this form alcohol. So here you can see this R1 is from alkyl magnesium bromide. It attach with the ketone or aldehyde through this carbon, and it form a new carbon-carbon bond. So in this reaction, a new carbon-carbon bond formation take place. So let's see about the reaction mechanism, how this reaction proceed. Basically, this reaction proceed through the nucleophilic addition mechanism. And in first step, Grignard reagent, this RMGBr is called Grignard reagent. So we have to prepare the Grignard reagent. So one can synthesize by taking any alkyl bromide. Here I choose bromobenzene. So it represented by phenyl group. So phenyl bromide, and then when it reacted with the magnesium metal, it's called filling, magnesium filling, in presence of dry ether or dry THF. So this magnesium donate one electron to bromine and then bromine. So because this phenyl and magnesium bond is very polar, it is very electronegative. In bromine, it attract electron. Therefore, one electron goes to bromine from magnesium, and then one electron goes from this bond to phenyl ring, and it form a phenyl radical. So here this is unstable intermediate form, and this phenyl radical can also absorb one more electron from the magnesium metal, and it form phenyl carbanion. So it get negative charge. So phenyl bromide and magnesium, it can also be represented like this, phenyl magnesium bromide. And magnesium, since it donates 2 electrons, therefore it got 2 positive charge. So in second step, when Grignard reagent form, it attack on the phenol ketone group. So in this Grignard reagent, it serve as a strong nucleophile. So it has an electron, it can attack on the any nucleophile. So here in the ketone, as a ketone, we have choose diphenyl ketone, which is called benzophenone. So since this electron goes to oxygen, and then phenyl carbanion attack on the carbonyl carbon, and it form a new carbon-carbon bond formation, and then oxygen get negative charge. Rest of the magnesium bromide form a kind of intermediate. This is called alkoxide magnesium bromide. And in the last step, when it hydrolyzes, when it treated with the water, so this alkoxide absorb one proton from the water, and it form an alcohol. Now you can see this alcohol, tertiary alcohol form. And then rest is the hydroxy magnesium bromide, is the another byproduct form. In this reaction, there are in the formation of Grignard reagent, we have to take very precaution because there is a two-side reaction take place. you can see this phenyl radical form in the first step. If it can also take an electron from magnesium bromide, or it can take an electron from another phenyl reagent and form biphenyl. So this is one side product in its form. Therefore, usually it takes, once it reacted, usually it takes in excess. If we are taking aldehyde ketone 1 equivalent, it could be 1.5 or 3 equivalent or more. And another side reaction, with the Grignard reagent, with the phenyl magnesium bromide, if it get moisture or if it touches with the water somehow in the reaction, then it takes proton from the water and form benzene. So this reaction is very sensitive, and there are two byproduct also formed. So it should be under anhydrous condition total, then you can get very good reaction product. So this was the Grignard reaction, and please feel free to add comment. Okay, thanks.